The reproduction in the algae, the reproduction is of two types, asexual and sexual. First we discuss, before discussing the reproduction, the example we have discussed the Eulothrix, Chlamydomonas and Eulothrix and Spirogyra. So the asexual reproduction by zoospore formation. When the conditions are favorable, they produce zoospore. Zoospore, like the animals, they are motile. The sexual reproduction is by gamete formation. So second one, the sexual reproduction is occur by gamete formation, and the gametes may be isogamous type and anisogamous type. The isogamous means when the male and female gametes are of same. And the anisogamous, the female and male gametes are different. So when the female is larger, the female gamete is larger than the male, it means the male is smaller and motile. The female is larger than the male, it is called oogamous type. Oogamous type of sexual reproduction. Now, the detail of the Eulothrix. The next one, the Eulothrix, the multicellular algae Eulothrix we discussed. The Eulothrix is a filamentous algae. Filamentous algae, for example, I am drawing its structure. This is the diagram of Eulothrix. It is a filamentous algae. Filamentous, it has a three type of cell. This one, the substratum on which it grow, on which it attach. The next one is a holdfast through which it attach to the substratum. It is non-green in color. And the other cells are the more broader than the height. More broader than the height, and the upper one is semicircular. So three types of cells are found: semicircular, more broader than the heighted, and the holdfast, that is non-green in color. The chloroplast is found C-shaped. For example, the chloroplast is found C-shaped, like this type, C-shaped, like this type, and within it the nucleus is there. The C-shaped like this, and the nucleus is found within the C-shaped chloroplast. So this is the chloroplast. Now the pyrenoid, the food material, stored food material, we always discuss the pyrenoid, that is protein surrounded by the starch. The asexual reproduction is by zoospore formation. Asexual reproduction is by zoospore formation. Any of the cell of the Eulothrix become enlarged. If we draw the one of the diagram here, it enlarges in size, enlarges in size and its protoplasm undergo mitosis. Amount is increased. So the cell-like structure is formed within the cell. The cell of the body, the protoplasm, it become enlarged, protoplasm divided by mitotically, and the cell-like structure is formed. The cell-like structure are found depend upon the number of division. When these cells are ruptured and the zoospores are released. The zoospores are of 4 flagella, having the 4 flagella. So they are called quadriflagellate. Quadriflagellate. When they grow and give rise to the complete eulothrix. So this is a type of asexual reproduction by zoospore formation. Now we discuss the next sexual reproduction that occur by the gamete formation. The sexual reproduction is by gamete formation. The life cycle is haplontic. Haplontic means the plant body mostly remain the haploid or N. Half number of chromosome it has. This is the structure of filamentous eulothrix. Some cells of it act as a gametangia. In which the gametes are formed. So in this cell, if I draw it here, the cell is enlarges and its protoplasm divided by mitotically, and the gametes are formed. Within it, the gametes are formed. When the cell is ruptured, the biflagellate gametes is formed, released. The protoplasm divide, gametes are formed. When the cell rupture, the gametes release and they are biflagellate. The zoospore are quadriflagellate, they are having the 2 flagella. 2 gametes, they fuse, they are similar kind, same kind. So it is a isogamous fusion. When they fuse, one is this and the another one is this one. The 2 flagella, 2 gametes are fused, same type of gametes, so it is called isogametes. And the structure is formed zygote, the diploid zygote, and the 4 flagella are there. Now this structure loses the flagella. When the zygote is formed, after some time the flagella are lost and it goes under meiosis. And the 4 haploid meiospores are formed. Meiospores are formed. When this cell is ruptured, the meiospore release and they grow and give rise to complete eulothrix. So this is the sexual reproduction of eulothrix. One of the cell become enlarged, act as a gametangia. The protoplasm division is there. The gametes are formed. Gametes fuse. 2 gametes fuse. Same kind, so they are isogamous. The fusion product is zygote. Within the zygote, the nucleus undergoes meiosis division and the 4 haploid meiospores are formed that develop and give rise to the complete filamentous eulothrix again. Now the next we discuss the red algae.